Welcome to Foret Cabins. Let's go inside.
This is Foret Cabin, located in the heart of Muskoka in the Lake of Bays region. This tiny off-the-grid cabin is perfect for relaxing in the beautiful surrounding 60 acres of forest as a luxurious eco-getaway. It's run off of solar and batteries, so you still get a ton of amenities like running water and electricity. I think my favorite feature of this entire place is this screened-in porch. The deer flies were a menace, and it was pretty hot out when we stayed, so being able to sit safe from the bugs and with a nice breeze was perfection. Plus, when you're on a vacation, all you want to do is hang out in the hammock and read, am I right? There's everything you need to make yourself at home at the Foret Cabin, with cooking essentials like coffee, tea, spices, oils, pots and pans, plates, and cutlery. They even had a coupon for the nearby Lake of Bays brewery. Foret Cabin space is decorated with a modern and minimalistic aesthetic with a focus on vintage and sustainable decor. While they do have Wi-Fi, the hosts encourage you to disconnect and enjoy a slow stay. They've got games for you to enjoy, coloring books for the kids, and there's even a wood-burning fireplace to get warm and cozy during the winter too. The bathroom is well equipped with a luxurious shower, sink, toilet, towels, and all the toiletry essentials. You'd never know this was an off-the-grid setup. The main bedroom is located in the loft above the bathroom. It's a comfortable queen-size bed with enough room to move around and partially stand up. And there's room for four at this cabin, as there are twin bunk beds that offer more space for sleeping. The property has a nice trail that leads to some wetlands, and they even have snowshoes for you to use in the winter. The hosts provide a first aid kit and a bear safety kit for you to use while you're here. There's a beautiful fire pit outside, and they have a ton of firewood and outdoor cookware if you're looking to make a meal over the campfire. Foret Cabin is located near Baysville and just 30 minutes from Huntsville, with lots of restaurants, cafes, a brewery, swimming areas, and more. And it's just 30 minutes away from one of the most spectacular views in Muskoka, the Dorset Lookout Tower. This 30-meter tall fire tower is once again open to the public. Climb the 119 steps for an incredible view of the surrounding area. We also stopped at On the Dock for lunch and wandered around beautiful Huntsville before heading back to the cabin to relax for the rest of the weekend. If you love adventure, Foret Cabin is just 45 minutes from Ragged Falls and the west gate of Algonquin Provincial Park, the largest park in Ontario. That wraps up the tour of Foret Cabin, which can be booked directly through the link below. Thanks for watching, and now, cue the photos. Wait, did you hear? I'm launching a print shop on August 22nd. Sign up through the link below to get early access and exclusive discount codes. If you're watching this after August 22nd, still sign up because that is the only way I'm sending out discount codes in the future. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.